Tying off your threads on the back of the fabric. When you've completed your stitches or your thread's getting too short to manage, and don't be stingy here, it gets too tricky if it's too short, then come through to the back and you've got a few options. If you've got several stitches here like this, you can take them under a stitch and then under that stitch again and through the loop, and carefully tie a firm knot without distorting the stitches on the front. And I would do that twice, and then just trim your thread because it's nicely knotted. If you've got a nice row of stitches like this, you can just weave it under 4 or 5 stitches. So we're just going through the stitch on the back, we're not going through the fabric to the front. We're just weaving it through like that until you feel that it's secure, and then you can trim it off, and that way you don't have a big thick knot. So that's the 2 ways of finishing your threads on the back. We're going to cover up the back of our hoop so no one's going to see it if it's a bit messy, but that's so it's nice and secure and your stitches will not come out on the front.